What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on ZBCN. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin, because we are right now testing this really important bearish order block on a 4-hour chart, definitely watch this video till the end, because in this video I will be revealing the exact trading setups that I am planning to take here and also the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am every day sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Let's start today on a daily time frame. If you saw one of my previous analysis on this coin, you know that I was talking here about this bullish order block on a daily time frame. So congratulations to everybody who took here this long position. If I am gonna switch on a 12-hour chart, we had here another bullish order block. As you can see, we missed this by 1% of a net market, something like that. But this actually doesn't matter, because right now we are, let's say, forming here a much better setup. Because if there will be a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block, which is, by the way, between level 0.005888 and 0.005261, and after support confirmation, you can open here a long position. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And last take profit target you can place under at $0.01 mark. So potential profit is around 68% of a net market, potential stop loss around 12% of a net market, which is, in my opinion, kinda safe, and that's giving us risk reward ratio up to 5.73. Of course, this is not going to be your final risk reward ratio, because in a trade like this you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take above this current high, so let's say level approximately 0.00638, then for example above this current all-time high, then for example under 0.0085, then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is gonna be around like 4, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still really great setup. If you want to take here a trade with better risk reward ratio, then watch this bearish order block on a 12-hour chart, which you can see is kinda smaller if we are gonna compare those two areas. But we are still having here this previous important high, which is for me the most important thing, that we need to see a support confirmation above. So if there will be that breakout with a support confirmation, this trade can look exactly the same. So stop loss under this bearish order block. This time stop loss is only 8.2% of a net market, 8.3, something like that, which is, let's say, lower. And if you will place the last take profit target on the same price, so something around that $0.01 mark, you will get risk reward ratio up to 8.6. So with multiple take profit targets, you are looking for risk reward ratio 6.8, something like that, which is, in my opinion, another really great setup. The reason why I am placing every time stop loss under that bearish order block is that, in my opinion, if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, there is simply a higher probability that this coin will continue with the dump, so there is no point of holding that losing position longer than it's necessary. Also, in my opinion, this is currently one of the best coins that we can buy, because let's say we don't have here a huge pump still. So I'm still, let's say, thinking that there will be another pump to at least that $0.01 mark, but I think that we can go for, let's say, much higher prices, so like 0.02, maybe 3, something like that, because the community around this coin is really well. But for this trade, I think $0.01 mark is definitely a great take profit target. And the last chart that you can use to open a long position is a 4-hour chart. Here you don't want to do anything with this bearish order block areas, because we have completely different order blocks on a 12 and daily time frame. So let's say there is simply no point of trading this, but we are having here this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.00468 and 0.00429. And if there will be a liquidity grab under, so we will take liquidity under all of these previous important lows, and then there will be a support confirmation, we can use this as a potential long entry. Stop loss you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so let's assume stop loss will be around 6.3% of a net market. And last take profit targets you want to place above that bearish order block on a daily chart, so potential profit in this case will be around 33% of a net market. Potential stop loss probably around 6, but of course we don't know right now where exactly we will have that liquidity grab and where a support confirmation. And last take profit target, as I said, above that bearish order block. So with multiple take profit targets, let's say some of the profits you will take around these previous important highs, then something under this bearish order block on a 4-hour chart, then you will save some back to a last take profit target, and for example something above this bearish order block, you will get risk reward ratio like 3.5, something like that, which is another really great trade. And the last chart that I will show you in today's video is total to chart, so altcoin market cap. Here we had another breakout. We let's say didn't take liquidity above this previous important high, and right now we are having here another bullish retest. So right now, if there will be a support confirmation, again this can be a great long entry. And if you will be opening some long position on some interesting altcoin, simply place the stop losses under the candles that we had on a daily time frame, especially if this candle will close like on this higher level, so let's say above 1.64, something like that, because then you are gonna have a great stop loss. The main reason is that in my opinion, if there will be a resistance confirmation and we are gonna break this current low, we are most likely gonna retest like these lower levels. So again, you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. We still don't have here a breakout of the current all-time high, so this can be maybe one of the last chance that we can actually use to accumulate, let's say, larger amount of the potential long positions, because we don't have here any fundamental thing that, let's say, is causing this huge price drop. Because for example in the stock market right now we are having a great pumps. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to follow my exact trading setups, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.